Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nabila Ramadani. Today I want to explain about my proposal, and the title is The Correlation Between Students' Habit in Listening to English Songs and Listening Ability at the second grade of M. Adar Salam Bumiagung. Okay, in here, research problems. In this research, the researcher formulated the problems as follows: Is there any significant correlation between students' habit in listening to English songs and listening ability at the second grade of another Salam Punyagung? And for research objectives, mm, based on the research problems above, the objectives of the research was to know and describe whether there is a significant correlation between students' habit in listening to English songs and listening ability at the second grade of Imada Salam Bumiagung. And for research design, this research, uh, the research design employed in this research was correlational research. Correlational research is the relationship among two or more variables are studied without any attempt to influence them. In general, it enables us to draw conclusions about correlational, that is, about the extent to which two variables or more are interrelated, such that when one variable increases, the other increases or decreases in a somewhat predictable way. Also in this research, the research only focused on whether or not there is correlation between students' habit in English song and their listening ability. And for the variables of the research, in this research, the researcher examined the correlation of variable x and variable y. These two variables were students listening English song habit as x and their listening ability as y. And population. According to Frankel and Wallen, population is the large groups to which one hopes to apply the result. The population in this research were all students of the 11th grade of M. Adar Salam Bumiagung, which total number of population were 120 students. For sample and sampling technique, in this research, researchers used cluster random sampling technique to the total population. The researcher checked cluster random sampling such as the first, reading all the students in a small paper. Second is reading each student in a small paper. And third is rolling the paper. And for the last is put into the glass and shaking the glass until none of them come out. Data collecting technique. The researcher used tests and questionnaire as the techniques to collect the data for this research. A questionnaire. A questionnaire is a self-report data collection instrument that each research participant fills out as part of a research study, and the researcher uses the Likert scale. B. Test. Test is a sequence of questions or exercise or other devices to measure skill, knowledge, intelligence, ability, or talents person which has by people or group. Mm, And the last, data analysis. In this research, to analyze the data, the researcher used SPSS test statistics, persons, product, moment to get the result of the hypothesis testing. Okay, I think that's all for my explanation. And thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.